Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can get DeepSeek R1 for free. And I'm not talking about the web chat interface. I'm talking about the actual API that we can use and can automate our workflows using automation. So it's really powerful. As you can see, this is the normal rate for DeepSeek R1. It costs around $5 per million tokens, and now we will see like how we can get it for free. I'm talking about like $5 for R1 API credits. So let's look at how to do that. All you have to do is click on this get started button here, click on sign up button, enter the name like soft reviewed, enter your email address, then password, and make sure that it's a tick mark here and click on sign up. Click on the save button here, and as you can see, your credits is like $0.1 now. And once you have signed up, you will get an email like this. And as you can see, now my account is only like $0.1, and as soon as I verify it, I'll receive like a $5 free credit. As you can see, $5 has been like added to my account. Earlier it was like $100, so that's why I decided to do this video. But now when I checked it again, this is only like $5. So anyway, it's free. So I'll also show you like how you can use it with, for example, make.com to actually use this. And for this we need to use the HTTP module. First go to the HTTP module and just click on make a request. Here we need to set our base URL, which is this one. Paste it here and set the method to post, and in the header we need to send our API key. So the format is like this. So it's authorization, copy that, then value is bearer, and after a space we need to enter our API key here. In order to do that, first we need to generate an API key. Let's say YT test, create an API key. Here is our API key, and let's just paste it here. And the body type can be raw, and the content type can be JSON, and we need the request content. This is our request part. So that is, if you go home, the request would look like this. This is the request without this comma. So just make sure that there is no 1 2 3 or any numbers here, and clean it up and paste it like this. And if we start sending request, it will go to this llama 3.18 billion instruct. That is not we want. We are actually here for the DeepSeek R1. So this is the model name. You need to paste it exactly like this and replace it with the DeepSeek R1 here, just like this. And this is how we do our request, our query. This is how we ask questions to our AI. So let's ask, how many are there in strawberry? Okay, now that we have that question here, make sure that it's in the double quotes, and let's just click on save here, and let's just run this. So as you can see, we got like a 200 status code, which is good. And if you look at the data here, and this is how we got it, and total number of hour, we can see all its thought process here, which is like the correct answer. So it's working, and the only issue is like it is really slow. It took almost like a minute to get the answer, and that's the only downside. That's how you use DeepSeek R1 for free. If you want the fast response, you can directly use original DeepSeek API, which is, I think it's already in. As you can see, the DeepSeek AI is already integrated. Can just select, go here and create an API key directly from DeepSeek, and just put the API key here, and you can directly add this in your make.com automation, which is really fast when you compare it with. But if you want to use it for free, that's the downside of it. And if you don't know how to set all this up, I will have this, I'll save this right now and you can import it. I will save this blueprint, and you can just click on this import button and can set it right away and start using it by just changing the API key here. And I hope this was helpful. Please, if you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get this for free, I will have the detailed tutorial on my website from where you can get it for free as well. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.